All right, if you travel a lot around the world or out of the country, you're gonna need an eSIM, and you're gonna want one of these, which is a hotspot, so that when you travel, you can still work, you can get your emails, you can watch videos, all that kind of stuff. And the setup on it is actually ridiculously simple. So you're gonna get this, which is a mobile hotspot, and you're gonna get this, which is an eSIM. And you just pop the SIM out right here, and it's going to give you a little adapter for your phone. So if you have a USB-C phone, you're good to go, right? Almost everything nowadays is USB-C, so you should be good to go. And you punch the eSIM card in here, just a little card reader for your phone. Once you put the eSIM in the adapter, you're going to download the app from the Play Store. Doing that, you can just scan the QR code on the instructions, or just go to your Play Store and search for LinkLan hotspot. As soon as you go through the setup on your app, you're just going to plug this into your phone, just like that. Add your device right here, press on add, allow, and it's going to say connect to your SIM reader. You're going to press connect to the SIM reader, just like that. It's reading it, it's reading the eSIM, and then install your eSIM. And this one's probably important right here. You just pick the country that you're in or that you're going to, and then you should be good to go. We're just going to do local area because I want to see what the speeds are. I'm just going through the setup procedure, selecting. You can have it for multiple days. You don't need it always on. It's not a subscription base. That's really cool. It's just, hey, I'm going to be here for a week. I'll purchase this much data, and it's pretty cheap. So again, just going through the setup here. And then once you purchase your data, you just go click use now. Now that we have that in there, this is where this hotspot comes into play. And now we can take the SIM card out right here. We can take this SIM out and put it into here. You just purchase your data on your phone with the SIM card in there. Take the SIM card out and put it in here. And then power this up. Just turning this on right here. All right, once you get it powered up, you're gonna see this QR code, and then over here, you're gonna see this install eSIM. You got a QR reader right here. Scan the QR code of my phone, and that just connects you to the Wi-Fi right here. So we're connecting on my phone. I am connected on my phone right now. It's connected. This is connected right here, and we are good to go. All right, now the moment of truth. Let's do a quick speed test. Running a quick speed test here. See what we're finding. And not bad. I mean, I'm not in a city right now. I'm out in the country, and we're hitting some really good speeds right there. I'm getting 224 down and 53 up, so that's really good speeds from speed test. And so with over 180 countries, if you have this in your carry-on and your travel bag, you never know when you're going to need the internet. So if you just keep it in there, make sure it's charged like mine was dead, and you can load up your eSIM anytime, anywhere. Again, with over 180 countries, you're bound to find a connection somewhere, somehow. And just I'm going to leave it in my backpack, and I'll always have access to internet. So isn't that cool?